guarded by the towering peaks of Hindu Kush. This land is a masterpiece of nature, untouched, raw, and breathtaking. Rivers dance through the valleys, glistening under the sun, while snow-capped mountains stand tall, eternal sentinels of sky. Bridges here are more than steel and stone. They are lifelines connecting stories, souls, and centuries. Every crossing brings you closer to the land where time slows down and nature speaks louder than words. But the path to paradise isn't easy. The road to Kailash, winding, narrow, and unforgiving, tests your spirit. One wrong move, and the nature reminds you who is in charge. Yet every turn reveals a view so stunning, it steals your breath and your fear. And then you arrive to the world within a world. The Kailash people, vibrant, proud, and rooted deep in history. Their culture as rich as the colors they wear, echoes with music, myths, and a way of life untouched by them. This is Chitral, where nature roars and whispers, where every danger and beauty dance together, and every moment feels